You might think this is the end of a long journey. These products have crossed continents. They've changed hands multiple times. And these ships have crossed seas. The journey to move these products internationally was complex, but they've all made it to their end destination safe and sound, right? Wrong. This is only the beginning. To get to its end destination, a product still has to change hands between several different warehouses, distribution centers, and trucks. My name is Sean Henry. I'm the founder and CEO at Stored. This complex journey is coordinated by a shipper with no unifying software to manage all nodes in the process. Instead, shippers must juggle countless email threads, phone calls, and spreadsheets in an effort to orchestrate the product's entire journey across distribution nodes all the way to its end destination. Every time the product changes nodes or runs into an exception, the shipper spends on average of 35 minutes talking to other people, typically via email where 80% of supply chain data is imprisoned. 35 minutes of human interaction to manage a single handoff. At Stored, we believe that shippers deserve a better experience. Supply chain is a $1 trillion industry, responsible for moving all the goods around us from origin to destination. Not just the things we want, but the things that we need. Food, medicine, and critical infrastructure. Keep families afloat, economies running, and to sustain lives and well-being.
My name is Justin Turner, and I lead sales at Stored. I've been in the industry for the past decade, working for some of the largest logistics companies, servicing some of the largest enterprise shippers in the world. Well, I think what we're seeing right now is a fundamental shift in customer expectations. If you buy a product online, you many times expect it either today or tomorrow, or maybe worst case, the very next day. It does place a significant amount of pressure on supply chains. And I know that our product today solves those challenges because they can leverage our system of suppliers and partners to position that inventory very, very close to those buyers to meet their expectations and still provide a great cost in the process.
While the shift to outsourcing distribution increased delivery speed and lowered capital cost, it also ushered in a massive new problem. Shippers now use dozens of disconnected providers across the country and across the globe, each with a new team to train and a new relationship to manage. These third-party providers often come with their own systems to manage inventory levels and to execute orders. The many nodes that make up a company's supply chain are left without any way to talk to each other, share information, or collaborate. When every warehouse is run by a different company and different software, and every truck is run by a different operator, you have a logistics system that's manual, unintelligent, tech deficient, and antiquated.
Sean and I started Stored with a singular vision: to build a connected world of distribution to help companies better distribute product at scale. Stored software connects existing third-party warehouses by acting as their warehouse management system, so we're able to go back to the shippers and provide inventory visibility, order management, and data and analytics so they can actually iterate and improve upon their existing distribution.
So here we have the overview of the facilities we have active, where you can go and click. You see you have one Chicago location active for this customer. And then let's go over to the open orders for the day. You see we have a truck pending to be unloaded there.
So traditionally, we receive orders by email from our customers independently. With the Stored system, we have the access to be able to view all of our orders all at one time.
As a shipper, typically you're having to interact with a variety of different systems and operational procedures with all the different nodes in your distribution network. Using Stored system, you're able to consolidate all of that information into one system, one partner, and one process, so you can actually gain new insights and visibility into your entire distribution network.
Stored really is cutting edge. We have many clients, many different products that are in here. At the end of the day, it's all about technology, how you provide the information to them. And Stored is that piece for broad range. So we rely on them heavily.
By more efficiently using warehousing, companies are able to cut down costs, pass that on to consumers, and radically transform the marketplace.
Many people are surprised that an industry as large and important as distribution is still so antiquated. While we've seen innovation transform businesses over the last 2 decades, customers are still unsatisfied with visibility, control, and speed. As customer expectations continue to rise, the burden on shipper supply chains will only increase. We alleviate the pain by connecting the nodes of the historically fragmented supply chain into one seamless network. That's the power of network distribution, combining one network, one platform, and one partner to to manage your supply chain. And it's how we're transforming how goods are moved across the globe.